Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely Mercedes V-Class 2016. So how the system works is someone wants to clone this key or grab the key and try and start it. This is what happens. So basically ignition on, if you try and start it, the vehicle will start. But as soon as we select a gear, the vehicle will stall. There you go, vehicle stalled. So really clever, really straightforward bit of kit. All the customer has to do now is every time he jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, go through his disarm sequence. On here we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody and start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Now select a gear. See, fine, no problem. Also, if the customer wants to take the car for a service, he can place it in valet mode, and the way he would place his Starline in valet mode is also very simple. So the procedure is ignition on, go through your disarm procedure, receive your melody, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. So let's just do that now. So main ignition on, let's disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, pause, key back on, get 2 bleeps. There you go, that's now in valet mode. So it means we can start the vehicle, we can move it around, select a gear, don't have to disclose the code. Then when you get the vehicle back, really straightforward. So basically ignition on and just go through your disarm and you'll get 2 bleeps. So 1, 2, 3, there you go, 2 bleeps, now out of valet mode. Also, if you want to change the code, this is straightforward. So what you have to do, you have to pass authorization. So the way you would pass authorization is basically ignition on, go through your disarm procedure. So 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, key off, key back on, get 5 bleeps. So now what I'm going to do, let's see if this button works here. So let's just try it. So if it works, we'll get a bleep. So 1, 2, 3. We're just changing the code now. Wait for confirmation. And then repeat. 1, 2, 3. Wait for the same confirmation. Once you've got that, the code is now stored. There you go, code is now stored. So we give it about 10 seconds and we'll try the old code and you'll see you won't get a melody. I think it's about 10 seconds now. So basically ignition on. Let's try the old code. So 1, 2, 3. No melody. So ignition off, ignition on. Try the new code. 1, 2, 3. Confirmation, start. Select a gear. There you go, really clever, really straightforward. If we now leave it for about 10 seconds and try and start it and select a gear, you'll see that the vehicle will then stall. So it takes about 10 seconds on this particular vehicle with this Starline i96, this product here that we fitted. So let's just try it now. So let's just start the vehicle and select a gear. There you go, vehicle stalled. Really clever, really straightforward. Hope you found this quick video helpful. As I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.